Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 2 of April. So let's get right into this video. Utilities envelope, and utilities is getting $50. And you guys, I'm going to be talking a little bit more in this video because I want to update you guys on things. Okay, next is our cash envelopes, and you guys, I've been so obsessed with bubble tea. If you guys haven't tried, pearl milk bubble tea is the best thing ever. So onto our grocery envelope. We do have some money left. We have $11 left in our grocery envelope. So this 10 is going to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with this $10. And this dollar is going into my kids' piggy bank. And guys, my kids' piggy bank is so full, it would take me hours and hours just to open them up and count them all. So I don't even know if I'm gonna even do a video on that, but I probably would just update you guys how much they have in their piggy bank. So groceries is getting 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. But their money that's in their piggy bank got to go in the bank. Okay, gas is getting $40, and we do have some money left in gas. We do have $20, and this $20 going to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with that 20. And gas, gas this week is getting 40. I'm not stuffing 60 because I won't be driving much this week, so it's getting 40. Next is spending, and we don't have any more money in spending, so we're gonna put in 20. And beauty is getting $10 as per usual. And giving is getting $5. And let's see how many fives we collected last week. So I do have my receipt in here. So we have 5, 10, 15. So guys, these fives is going to my father's savings jar. I did get a question and I want to answer in this video. So these fives, I get back change. So every time I break a 20 from my cash envelopes, I give it to cashier, and if they give me any fives, I put that right into my savings challenge envelope and I do not spend it. So we collected $15 last week, so that's going to my father's saving jar. And let's get right into our sinking funds. So onto my kids' savings. So I had a question about rent / mortgage. So my boyfriend, he takes care of the mortgage, so I don't have to worry about that. So Lanisha is getting $25. 1,000, 2, 3, 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 20, 45, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65. So Lanisha has $4,965. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting his $25. So Jaden has 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 45, 55. So Jaden has 4,555. Okay, next is vacation, and vacation is getting $15. 10 and a 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70. So we have $870 in our vacation envelope. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. So we now have 1, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 340, 55. So we have 355 in our family time envelope. Clothing is getting $30. We didn't go clothes shopping yet, but we will soon. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98. So we have $7.98 in clothing. Alright guys, onto my blue binder. Okay, next is my blue binder, and as you guys could see, I did lower the amounts of some of these envelopes, and the reason being is because I do use some money out of my paycheck to invest in the stock market. And recently I invested in one of this crypto, and it spiked up like a lot, like just a couple cents. And with that being spiked up just a couple cents, my money that was in that crypto multiplied at least 10 times, and I made a lot, guys, off of it. So it's still going up as we are talking. But if you guys want to get into investing in stock market, I do invest with the platform Robinhood, and I'll leave my link in the description box below. So if you guys want to sign up, we both will get a free stock when you sign up. But I won't be talking much about investing on my channel yet, because I am still learning and I'm still doing my research on the stock market and stuff. So I don't want to tell you guys what to invest in. I'm not going to ever tell you guys what to put your money in, because it's a gamble, it's a risk, you know. I don't want you guys being upset if you guys lose a little bit, but you also will gain too. So I'm not gonna ever tell you guys what to put your money in. I will probably tell you guys what I do, what I did, and where my money goes and what I'm investing in. Okay, so on to our emergency fund. Emergency fund is getting $20 this week. So we now have 1,000, 250, 320. So we have $13.20 in our emergency fund. Home remodel, well, actually my car maintenance, I need to move these envelopes around. So car maintenance is getting $40, 20, 40, and we now have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70. So we have $14.70 in our car maintenance envelope. Next is debt snowball, and debt snowball is getting $100. So we now have 300 in debt snowball. Next is home remodel, and home remodel is getting $20. So we have 150, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350. So 350 in our home remodel envelope. And guys, I'll try to upload my Q&A video sometimes next week. Next is health, and health is getting $50, and I'll try to answer as much questions as I can. So we have 200 in health. My savings challenge is getting $75 this week, and we are ahead in our savings challenge because I completed all April already, and I'm still getting more checks in April. Okay, my boyfriend is not stuffing his this week. He'll be getting paid next week, and he'll be stuffing $80 next week. Alright guys, onto our pink binder. Okay, so in savings, I am not stuffing this week. So let's just count how much I have in my savings envelope, because I don't know myself. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 150, 70, 90, 210. So we have 4,210 in our savings envelope. And I'm not sure if I'll be stuffing this anymore. I'm not sure yet, because I am trying to focus on my savings challenge, and I don't need to be stuffing 2 of my own savings, because I also told you guys that I want to start investing my money also. So this is going to be like this for now. And my Jenny envelope, which is my investing envelope, is getting the leftover money from my cash envelope, which is $30. And yeah guys, if you guys don't know what to do with your rollover money, you guys could save it. But me guys, I'm putting all this leftover money from my cash envelope, this rollover money, into my Jenny envelope, and at the end of each month it's going right into the stock market, right into investing. So Christmas is getting $25, and I did lower the amount of Christmas. I might lower it more to $20, because we do have a great amount, a good amount in my Christmas envelope. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 10, 25, 30, 2, 4, 5. So we have $635 in our Christmas envelope. So guys, that's the good thing about stuffing our envelopes. You do what fits your budget, you do what fits you. So me lowering my Christmas envelope will help me use that funds towards something else. So back to school is getting $10. So we now have 120, 30, 40, 50, 65. So we have 165 in back to school. And last is my gifts envelope, and gifts is getting $10. Now I have 102, 350, 70, 80, 90. So we have $390 in our gifts envelope. So I also got a question. I also got one other question where someone said I don't like comments, I don't reply to comments no more. It's because guys, I do work a 12-hour shift full time. I run my business, my Etsy shop. I do invest. I'm kind of like day trading a little bit, trying to learn, research about that. I'm a full-time mom, and also I got things in the works, guys. I've been really busy because I've been working on a project, and I got something in the making. So don't sleep on me, guys, because this is something I've been working on, and I can't wait to launch it for you guys. So when I do launch this product, I hope you guys will be excited, because I'm super excited about this. I've been working on this product for over 2 to 3 months already, and we finally got it in production. So I'll be happy to announce it when I do launch it. So I also got a question. Somebody asked me, how do I get the right denomination, right notes from the bank? Is because I use my cash breakdown card. So my cash breakdown card, you guys, you just go down the list, and whatever bills you need to fill in those amounts in the envelopes, you just write it down here. Like for example, Lanesia, she has $120 and $15. So I just mark it as I go, and when I do finish making this card, I'll bring it to the bank and give it to the teller, and they give me the exact denominations I need for each envelope. So that's another question I got, and I'm trying to think some other questions off the top of my head, but I am doing a Q&A video, guys, and that will be my next video, hopefully sometimes next week. So stay tuned for that. I want you guys to get to know me a little bit more. And yeah, let's get on this saving, budgeting, paying off debt journey, and hopefully investing, because I do want to bring that on my platform, but not yet. Like I said, I'm doing my research. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.